the pounds. Okay. So we're currently looking at the pounds against the United States dollar. That's GBP USD. Looking at the pounds, guys. Let's see what it looks like. So since we are currently in a downtrend, I can only find sell opportunities, okay? I don't buy in a downtrend.
Hi guys.
I don't buy in a downtrend. That's why you see, excuse me, that's why you see price is giving us a sign that it's going to rise, but I can't buy. I just need to wait for price to go to my own area, then we sell. Okay, so that's exactly what I want. I don't want anything complicated. Is it that everyone has gone to work? Why am I alone today? Why am I alone? This is unusual. This is very, very unusual. All right, so welcome to the channel, guys. If you're just first time, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Okay, so it's London session. Hi, Sylvia, nice to have you. Wow, Sylvia, you're really serious with this forex thing. Oh, what's keeping you off the academy? I think you should join. You should get access into the academy and get the basic knowledge you need. And I think from every indication shows that truly you like this. So don't forget, hit me up on WhatsApp. All right, let's work on how so we are currently looking at GBP USD. So I'm looking forward for price to rally all the way up to anywhere around here before we get the crash, okay? Before we sell. But now I believe so many of you will be asking me, why don't we buy? Because on the lower time frame, we can have some buy opportunities. Yes, it's true. But now, what's the overall trend? The overall trend is bearish, all right? So we are looking forward to sell. If I had to buy, I already had my confirmation, my buy confirmation on the lower time frame. Immediately I launched this live. So here is my confirmation. Let me show you. Okay. And maintain my stop loss under this week. Okay. So I'll buy here. I maintain my stop loss under this week, and I target a simple 1:2. But now the question is, how certain are we? We are in a downtrend. So when you're in a downtrend, it's better you die following the trend, all right, than to try catching every move. So guys, let's just be patient and wait for price to come up to our own level. And once price comes to our level, that's how we'll get our entry. Okay. So on a USD JPY, let's see what we have going on. Perfect. I said it. So for those who are in my free Telegram community, I already shared these setups. I already shared these setups. So we are expecting to have this sell. All right. So the whole of this London session, we might be selling all the way down here. Yes. So many people are asking, why don't we sell? Why don't we sell? Yes, I don't feel comfortable selling in an uptrend. All right. Yes, I don't feel comfortable selling an uptrend. But now, if price decides, if we finally break through this zone and this candlestick closes here, for those who want to sell, if you are selling, you can sell, place your stop loss above this zone and target a 1:2. You see, it's not even giving you 1:2. So it means you have to adjust your stop loss to favor your risk to reward. And you are counter trend trading, which means it doesn't even make sense. Okay. So I rather recommend we stay patient and wait for our overall trend setup to validate for us um, to buy. Okay, for us to buy. No need to hurry. No need to hurry. So if you're watching me for the very first time, I believe the best way you can support this channel is by subscribing, guys. So please do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Subscribe to the channel, and let's ride. We'll also have a live stream during New York session. So get yourselves ready. All right. So during the New York live stream, I think most of these our setups must have validated completely. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell after subscribing, so that whenever I share a setup or I start a live stream, you'll be able to get notified. Okay. So we don't really care about sales in an uptrend, because if you look at the hourly time frame, you see how clean the trend is. And when you have an uptrend, what you do is stick to buys. Okay. You realize we took out these highs, went all the way up, had this pullback, came back but could not take it out. So we came back here, took out this liquidity and continued the trend. We are currently in a buy. I shared this buy with my community yesterday, and personally, I've taken the greatest part of my profits. Let me see. Why is this Telegram not opening? Okay. I've taken the greatest part of my profits. So if you're not a part of my free community, you see, this is a buy setup we had. We entered here. You see where we entered? So if you look closely on the chart, you see we entered here. And now I've taken profits here, and I'm still looking forward to buy from here again. So as of right now, I think if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. So the Telegram link for all these free signals is in the description section of this video. Okay, so you can gain access and have fun, guys. Let's always trade together, and do not forget to subscribe if you're just joining. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Let's flex. So this is USD JPY. Let's see what's happening on GBP USD. All right. So it's doing exactly what we said it would do. We're expecting to have a sell, excuse me, from up here. Let price pull back and you'll see. So guys, if you are joining me for the very first time, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, guys. It means a lot to the channel. Your subscription means a lot to the channel. So that is what we are expecting on GBP USD. That's exactly what we are expecting on GBP. So you see, that's price going straight to our zone. Okay, that's price going straight to our zone. So we are used to this. We do this always. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post something like this or I start live, you get notified. And it's very easy. It's very easy. If you want to be part of my free Telegram community where I share these signals back to back, you can as well visit the comment section, the description section of this video. So GBP USD. So where are you watching me from? Is it your first time joining my live stream? If yes, then do not forget to subscribe. We do this always. And during our live streams, you can easily catch a very good setup. Okay? So, subscribing to the channel will rather help you more because you have the opportunity to catch some amazing sets always when we are live. Okay? Whenever we go live, you receive notifications and you join us. Let's flow. Going. So this is GBP USD, okay? And this is what we are waiting for. We are waiting for price to pull up into our zone for us to sell. So that's the measure trade. So is it your first time joining my live stream? If yes, tell me, where are you joining me from? Where are you streaming from? And which pair do you want me to analyze? I'm here for you. Come on, let's flow, let's flex. This is a trader's call, so you can always have fun, all right? You can always join us. And if you're new to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Subscribe so that you receive notifications whenever. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification there so that you receive notifications whenever we are live on YouTube. So this is GBP USD doing perfectly well. All right, so let's look at USD JPY to see if it is approaching our zone. You see, it's still playing. So it's just a matter of patience. We have to wait patiently. So below this comment, below this live, let me see if I can use my second YouTube or my second device to add up the link so that you guys can use it to join my free Telegram community. Perfect. Where the fuck am I? It's like I've restricted sending of links, or what am I saying? So guys, I don't really understand a lot about this, but I'm gonna learn. Well, I don't know how to do it. Maybe with time, I'll learn how to. Because I wanted to add up a link for you guys to join my free Telegram community through the comment section. It's like, let me try again, guys. All right, so let's see what's happening on GBP USD. So guys, this is GBP USD. When you see me silent now, I'm struggling to send a link for you guys to join my free Telegram community, but I don't know how to do it here on YouTube, so I'm finding it very difficult. It's like I've given myself some restrictions. Well, but the links are in the description section of this video. So we are looking forward to sell. Hey, that you can't get me. Are we together? Can you hear me? Um, if you can't hear me, I think it should be your device because I can hear myself from my second device. So we are looking forward to sell GBP, USD. Let's get it going. So Sylvia, I'm waiting to receive your message later after this. Let me just add my number to the screen for those who will want to relate with me and maybe join my free training program that is going on. And for those who also want to maybe take that trading journey serious, you can hit me up on WhatsApp as well. Let me increase the size to 24. Let me add the name. So this is GBP USD. We are looking forward to sell, sorry. While on USD JPY, we are waiting for a buy from down here. So we have to sell from here first, but I don't counter trend because price can still play like this and break out to the upside. Then there is also a setup I'm waiting for on GBP JPY GG. Let me see. Yes, that's it. Let me open it. You see it. It sounds crazy. I don't know if price will actually respect it. If price decides to come back down and respect the zone, I I caught the zone on the 5 minutes time frame. I saw this setup yesterday, but I did not catch it. All right. So I'm hoping that price comes back. Let me show you exactly what I'm waiting for. Good. I'm waiting that price comes back into this zone because this zone is really very important for price. Okay. Don't just look at it the way it is. It has a lot to do. So if price can still come back into this zone, then I think a lot can happen. This will be a 1:22. Can you imagine? 1:22 setup. But it's so outrageous, and I don't recommend you trying to catch this kind of moves. Out of 10, honestly, I don't think you can catch up to 3. Yes, so this is a sell confirmation, guys. For those who want to sell GBP, Euro, JPY, you can sell from here. Place your stop loss just above here. And target a 1:2.3. Yeah. Personally, I don't counter trend. So that's a sell confirmation for USD, and the stop loss is 29 pips. Stop loss is 29 pips. And let's go. Then for GBP USD, let's also see what's happening. Okay, we're having a little pullback, but I'm still anticipating for us to have the original sell up here. You see, the reason why price has to react on this zone is because it is a strong resistance level. You see, last time price got here, what happened? It reacted. Every time price gets to the zone, there is a reaction. Do you notice? Come into history. Every time price gets to the zone, there is a reaction. So you shouldn't expect price to just come bounce off. Price should just come breakthrough. Okay. So this is a serious support zone or resistance zone. Sorry. So normally it's very okay for price to react from here. So I'm hoping that price should not break through this one here, because this is supposed to be a strong support zone. So if price comes back and tap on this zone, we should be expecting price to continue all the way to our major entry. Okay, that's what we see on GBP USD. We are trading live, guys. I don't just post trading contents. I don't just post trading videos here. I also trade live with you guys and let you see the emotions or the emotions that are involved in trading. Trading at times is really very difficult, but the reason why you see me coming live is just to let you know that you are not alone. Okay, the losses, many other traders are going through the same shit you are going through. So never be discouraged. Never. Never be discouraged. No matter how difficult the process is, just believe in it and keep it going. One day you'll break through and you thank yourself for doing that. So guys, if you are joining me for the very first time, don't forget to show some love by subscribing, okay? Subscribe to the channel and let's get it going. All right, guys, I just wanted to come get you this analysis and share my views on what I think will happen today on these pairs. As for GBP AUD, I haven't even checked. Let's see what's happening on GBP AUD. Okay, GBP AUD is looking good. We currently have a running buy, but I'm looking forward for price to drop a little before the buy continues. Okay, so currently we are in an uptrend. We just started a new uptrend. We had a change of character on the hourly time frame, which validates an uptrend. Okay, you see, change of character here. So we're looking forward to buy all the way up. So that's what we are doing on GBP AUD. But I'm still expecting price to drop a little. If price could even come all the way back down here, I'll be very, very happy. Yes, because I still strongly believe in the buys. Okay, so guys, if you're joining for the very first time, don't forget to show some love by subscribing. And if you want to be part of my free Telegram community, the links are in the description. All right, and let's say maybe you want to get in contact with me personally, then I think my WhatsApp number is somewhere on the screen. I don't know. Yes, this is my WhatsApp number. Let me go down to 15 minutes. This is my WhatsApp number. All right, I go by the name Fellow, so you can hit me up and say, yo Fellow, what's up, bro? And I'll always respond. Okay, all right, guys, have a blessed day, and looking forward to see you during New York session. Lebanon session is looking good, right? So let's hope New York session does better. Take care, guys. Stay blessed.